Accrochage tasty recipe. Tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious chocolate chip banana bread. So please stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to peel my bananas. Okay, so I have here 4 overripe bananas, and then I'll peel and put everything in the mixing bowl. Once everything goes in, I'll go ahead and then mash. If you don't have a masher, you can simply use a fork. So at this point the banana is well mashed, so I'll go ahead and add half cup of brown sugar and then 2 large eggs. Please make sure the eggs are fresh, and then I will be adding 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and then half a teaspoon banana essence. I'll go ahead and add 113 grams melted butter and then mix everything together. You can replace the butter with margarine, but please do not add salt if you're going to use margarine, okay? So once everything is well mixed, I'll go ahead and sift in my dry ingredient. So I will be adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour and then half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Then I'll sift everything.
Tasty recipe. Tasty recipe. The recipe.
So to take the flavor of this banana bread to another level, I'll be adding half teaspoon cinnamon powder, and then once everything goes in, I'll just fold in with my spatula, okay, until everything is well combined.
Akosha recipe, we get the recipe. Akosha recipe, we go give you recipe. Akosha's tasty recipe.
The next thing I'll be adding is half cup chocolate chip, and then give it a really good mix. So at this point, I'll go ahead and grab my baking dish, and then I'll spray with some cooking spray. This will help the cake from sticking after baking. You can also use butter if you don't have cooking spray. Then I'll transfer in the mixture into my baking dish. Lastly, I will slice some banana and then top up to beautify or garnish my bread, okay? So just slice some banana and then put it on top of the mixture, and then I will also add some chocolate chips for extra flavor and garnishing, okay? Whilst you're doing this, please make sure to preheat your oven to 260 degrees Fahrenheit and then bake this for 25 to 30 minutes, okay? Okay, so after 30 minutes, the beautiful banana bread is out of the oven. So I'll just check with a cake tester. If it comes out clean, it means it's done. So I will allow it to cool completely and then show you the beautiful outcome of the banana bread or banana cake. Okay, so this smells so good. I'm going to slice it and show you the inside. It's very, very moist. My customers really love this cake or bread. Okay, I hope if you have overripe bananas, you're going to try this delicious and simple recipe. So thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you will be notified. Okay, to my new subscribers, to my returning subscribers, and to my permanent subscribers, I really appreciate you all for watching my videos and then leaving me a comment. God bless you all. Bye.